Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I am on day 16 of hashtag jelly postcard play. Here's another one that reminds me of the girls. It's just a little girl, and I cut her out. I had her in my stash, and it's my background, and there's the flowers, and of course the jelly plate, and I just doodled hello, and I have this butterfly I came across, and that's what she looks like, and I outlined her a little bit. And I put this bigger purse on, and then I came across this little one, and so I just added it. I figured, what the heck? I'm having fun. I was having fun doing these. I'm enjoying them. So this is day 16. Like I said, go please check out the other ladies that are doing these. Hashtag jelly postcard play. They're fun. You can use your imagination. You're using your backgrounds that you have. I had to make a ton because I was out of the loop for a while because of my hand surgery. My hands are starting to feel better, but I think I'm still going to have to do physical therapy. So I will see you on the next one. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, bye, bye.